How to play Minecraft LAN with friends. Let's dive into the video. First, start Minecraft Java Edition and enter the world you want to share with your friends. Once you're in the game, press the escape key to bring up the game menu, then simply click on the Open to LAN button. After clicking Open to LAN, you will be presented with some options. You can set the game mode Survival, Creative, Adventure or Spectator and decide whether to allow cheats. Once you have made your choices, click on the Start LAN World button. And once you have started your LAN world, Minecraft will display a message in the chat box with the IP address and a 5-digit LAN number, example 55555. Note down this information as you will need to share it with your friends and let them join your Minecraft LAN game. Navigate to the multiplayer tab in the Minecraft and then scroll down to the bottom list and you will see a message stating scanning for games on your local network. When you see a list named Alien World with your friend's username and the world name, double click it and select join server. After that, your friends on the same network can join the LAN world and play Minecraft with you. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.